Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. I got happy mail. I got happy mail from my friend Angela the Traveling Crafter, but I think it's I'm going to call it a bribe. Let me tell you what's going on. I'm excited and I'm nervous as all get out. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're doing this. I am so excited that she asked me to do this though, y'all. I really, if you don't know Angela the Traveling Crafter, just stop this video, go to the link in the description, go hit the subscribe button on her channel. She was one of the very first people in this community to tell me that I was an artist. And it took me a long time to believe that. And I still have doubts. There are still times I have doubts. Like the imposter syndrome is strong in me, okay? But truly, if it weren't for people like Angela in this community, I probably wouldn't still be here today. I wouldn't be creating. And now I can't imagine my life without creating. It awakened something in me that I didn't think existed. So I owe her a lot. And when she called and asked me if I would sit with her and do a live stream on her craft table test on Saturday, July the 18th, I said, okay, what are we doing? And she said, we're going to doodle. And I said, I don't know doodle about doodling. And I don't, but let me show you the book. Isn't this adorable? It's placemats. And so and listen, the pages are so significant, I can use them in journals for sure. But it shows you step by step. Now, listen to me. Even this, I'm telling y'all, don't have high expectations of what I'm going to doodle. But I am going to do it. I am excited about it, but I am nervous about it. Like, what pens do you use? I don't know. I have some pens back there. I'm going to pull them all out, regardless. Come visit with us. It's going to be fun. 11 o'clock Central Standard Time next Saturday. I'll have the link to that in the description so you guys can go hit the notification button. Let's take a look at what she sent me. If you want to see some of her work up close and personal, this right here, can you believe this? Do you know how many of these little things I probably have in my stash? They look like it's a bow. She has a video on it. There's a tutorial out there. Angela's got playlist over playlist. And listen, if you think, listen, all I can tell you is I will go to Angela. When I'm thinking about doing something, I sit there and I go, oh my God, I don't even know where to start. I go to Angela's channel. I go to Carla's channel. I go to Danielle 11 Dancing on Dandelions. I go to Meg's channel. I have to. I don't just have that inherent sense of art in me. I've always said this. It is not a natural thing for me. But I'm thankful for people in the community who don't mind and encourage you to do that. Look at this little shrinky-dink lady. Oh, she cute. Oh, that's for a fashion journal? Okay. And then these toppers are beautiful. These are wonderful. Look how cute this is. Now these, I saw Meg use these. I don't know if they were the same ones, but in her retail journals recently that she did. Thank you for this stash. I love them. Told you she was bribing me. Let's see what this. She's just a bundle, and she's always creating. She's always creating something. It's amazing to me. Oh my goodness, I saw this video. Oh, I've seen all Angela's videos, but now I have a template in my hands. This is fresh. She has this punch. I don't know. That may be a little too fiddly for me, Ange. I don't know if I could match all the way around with that punch. Maybe I could. This is cute. These, when I saw her do this, oh my gosh. Yeah. I need to go through my paper pads and I need to cut out all the cut aparts. Don't you think? I did that when I first started. Oh, God, this is so cute. Oh, my goodness, that's so cute. I did it when I first started, and I haven't done it since. Okay, cute. Look at this collage, how sweet. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Oh, I need to use this right now. I think it would be the right size. I'm going to use this now. I've got a couple of projects going on. Okay, if you don't know, I wanted to be Honey, who is Trixie Belden's best friend. Honey was the next door neighbor, and she was an only child, and she was rich. I did not grow up like that. So, of course, when I read the whole Trixie Belden series, I loved Trixie Belden and her brothers and her family, but Honey was who I wanted to be when I grew up. Angela. And she's heard me talk about Honey, obviously. Thank you for sending me this. I'm actually going to read this. I'm going to sit this, because sometimes when I get a book that's nostalgic to me, what I will do is I will keep it out here. And whenever I get, like, if I'm in a slump or I just don't want to create, which is not often, I usually want to create all the time. But if I get in a slump, I'm not sure what direction to go in or whatever. Sometimes I'll just read a few pages out of my nostalgic book, and it soothes me, if that makes sense. So I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to read that. This monkey see, monkey do. I keep saying... I have a book that I'm going to do monkey makes, where we just do a quick craft. And I have a whole storage section of all the monkey make stuff. This came from this punch that Angela sent me. Thank you, Angela. She knows that I love the fleur-de-lis. I do love the fleur-de-lis. I am in Louisiana, but I will tell you, I loved the fleur-de-lis before we moved here. Now, we've been here forever. Louisiana's our home now, for sure. But even whenever I grew up in Florida, in the Panhandle, and even then, I was fascinated by the fleur-de-lis. Not just for the Saints. I mean, I know the Saints football team, that's their emblem, but the fleur-de-lis has a much bigger meaning than that. Maybe I'll try and link that if you're interested to go see, but it's kind of an interesting story, the way that all kind of came to be. This is beautiful. Thank you for this. I have a section for that for sure. Look what she did for my back to school journals. And I have for the most part, I have made my back to school journals. Look at this monkey. Oh my God, that's going over there. I've made glue books for back to school. I don't know why. I just had some books that lent themselves to that size last year. Do I have any left? I think there might be. There might be one or two left. Anyway, there's some glue books. This is perfect for that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is perfect for that. These, oh, honey. How awesome. They're different colors. We need to do some crafts with these. Okay, y'all get ready. Y'all gonna see a make with these. Okay, thank you, Angela, so much. These are incredible. These are incredible. I love this. This is vintage, too. I have a place for that, too. Something won't work, especially when you really need it to. Something that won't work, especially when you... This is frameable. Oh, look, she sent me the nurse one. Someone who does precision guesswork based on unreliable data provided by those of questionable knowledge. You nurses out there, you know you're going to thumbs up that one, right? Yeah. That is spot on. I am not a nurse. I do work in healthcare. I'm not a nurse. I'm not nearly that smart. But I will tell you what happened to me. It is only because I was hired by a nurse. my first job in healthcare, I was hired by a nurse. Her name is Sandy. Sandy, if you ever watch this, thank you. I can't thank you enough. It is because of her and the group of nurse director friends that she had at the time that I have had any measure of success in healthcare. I will forever cherish nurses and what they provide. Forever. You guys, people who don't work in healthcare, they have no idea. They really don't, and you shouldn't. It's what nurses have to do. Don't get me started. Anyway, this is lovely. I bet I know what this is going to be about. Creole and Acadian. It's Acadian is how they say it, but I butcher it, so I just say Acadian. This is wonderful. This is beautiful. Golly, I need to make a pocket out of that. Oh, Angela. Oh, Angela, look, the hoops. The nets, I guess. That's how they do it. Man, that's old too, huh? What year is this? This is a Time Life book. This is really lovely, Angela. Thank you. 1971. Wow. She's making a roux, huh? Oh, look, her name is Carrie. Miss Carrie Dean in New Orleans. I was born in New Orleans. Oh, look. Okay. Somebody asked me to do, in fact, Julie at Day Trip Vintage Co. She and I are going to do a Mardi Gras make live during Mardi Gras season in 2027. It's already on the books. We've got it, scheduled. We've talked about it. In fact, Julie made me something, and I thought I had it up here. This is what we did this year. Julie. Julie did this year. She made this. And Julie's in California, but look how incredible this is. Isn't this beautiful? And she sent this to me. So we're going to do it again this year. We have a crew already named. And all the particular, I'll talk more about it when we get closer to that. But this will be great to pull from. Thank you. Julie, I may send you some of these images too. I might. This is great. Thank you. I'm going to take some time to go through this. Anyway, come join us on July 18th. 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. I will have the link to that live in the description here. Go hit your bell notification. We're going to do it right after Coffee Clatch. I'm trying not to yammer on at Coffee Clatch so we can get all this situated. Y'all come help me. That's what I'll need. Because y'all think I'm joking when I say I really don't draw stick people. I never have. I'm not exaggerating this. I've never liked my handwriting. I've tried scrapbooking. I've tried puff paint. I tried all these things along the way in my life, and I never felt like I was any good at it until junk journaling came along and until I got into this wonderful community of people who, like Angela, have encouraged me. So, Angela, thank you so much, my friend. I can't wait. I'm nervous, but I know you'll help me along the way. Anyway, thank you guys, and I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I'm going to have at the crafting table with Angela. Thanks, and we'll chat soon.